Hi guys, it's Moz here for Moz651 Models, and I just wanted to do like a quick 2-minute video and to say this is my model kit stash. One sort. I've got another sort that I keep in another area, which I've all got up for sale because I'm never going to build them. But this is the stash that I have at the moment, and I need to actually go through it and actually keep what I'm going to build and sell what I'm not. So over Christmas time, I'm going to be trying to get rid of a lot of these kits. But as you can see, it is absolutely rammed packed of kits. It's not the most tidiest because you've had to move it from one end of the attic to the other because you're having some work done. But you can see there's plenty of models here. This one here I'm going to be building for a friend called James. He wants me to build that for him, so I'll be building that one. I've got the new Revell Jaguar E-Type, which I think they're redoing because there's been some issues with the mouldings. I've got the old-fashioned build joint internal combustion engine from Haynes, which is, I believe it's an Airfix kit inside. I've got that one. I've got numerous Spitfires here that I've just not got round to building. Some new kits there. I've got that Heller M4A2 Sherman, Hawker, a Red Arrows Hawk. I've got that there. Nakajima B5 NTK, which I got from the Airfix Club. I've got an old Frog Wildcat there. I've got like a Sopwith Camo. Somebody gave me this to try. I've never used it. There you go. Hasegawa Spitfire Mark 1 in its box there. There it is. This vehicle came out the other day. That's the MG, a starter set from Airfix. And I thought the car didn't look too bad, to be honest, inside. There wasn't a lot of flash on it, but that was for a challenge which I never got around to doing. You can see down there, there's the new Vampire there, the Rotodyne, the Heracles. I've got the Trident down there. These are all like new kits. That's the Spitfire Mark 5B. A little 1:44 scale micro wings there from Revell. There's a MiG-3 there from Zvezda. Look at this one here, that's an old kit. A Mi-2 helicopter. It's crap, so don't bother buying that, it's crap. Small little 1:72 car. A couple of easy click systems that I've been given. Yeah, I get given all sorts. I really do. Kits there without a box. What's that here? That's what it is, isn't it? Canberra, P9, all in its box there. Old kits, old kits. I heard this was a bugger to build. I think Matt at Model Minutes tried to build that and he wasn't impressed. Yeah, loads of kits here. And I just thought I'd do a little video just to show them all. And, you know, even these ones here, little vintage kits. Do you remember these? 2 glues and they fit together. Brilliant. Loads of here. We've got a little Airfix cattle wagon there. There's the fire engine, which is part built, but I never painted. Can you see that? I never painted it. I built it as a bit of a model really, but just never got around to painting it. In bits and pieces. Oh, a model clamp. Let's look at that. And I think that is a model saw. So there is stuff in here that I've just collected over the years and everything. There's the 1:72 scale Vampire. Also in the back here, I've got this one here. Whoops, I put that one over there. Whoops. Oh, sorry about the movement. Got a Scania Euro truck there from Airfix, which is a Heller kit, I think. There's the Vulcan down there, and I've also got an original Airfix. If I can get it open. An original Airfix motor racing set. So I've got quite a bit here. I've got the 1:48 Canadair Sabre F4 there. Some more little mini planes and stuff. I've got quite a bit here. So that's why I thought I'd just show you my stash at the moment, which I'm going to be get rid of a few of these kits because I'm never going to build them. Anyways, if you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, select all, and you'll be notified when I put out a new video. Any questions, any comments, put them in the box below, and I'll do reply, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.